From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update.
Quick reminder of everyone how you can get Weather NorCal, and be sure to tell your friends and family if you already have all of these different apps, because it's one of those things we want it to grow. We want everyone to know about this great resource that people have online. It's a great online resource. So of course you've got YouTube, and you can go to youtube.com/@weathernorcal. You can check the 24-hour weather, the 24-hour channel there. You can also check out all the latest weather updates. Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, and eventually coming to Apple TV. That's where you can get access to the 24-hour streaming channel. Again, a great resource. It updates regularly with all the latest weather information. So you can get there to current conditions, your latest 7-day forecast, and of course, all the different forecasts in the surrounding areas. And if you have an iPhone or an Android, you have one or the other. I mean, pretty much everyone has a phone these days, right? Almost, not everyone. But you can see here that you can search for Weather NorCal. There's a free app that you can get. All of this is free. So that's the beauty of it. It's a lot of great weather information, local weather information, and it's all free. All right, so here's the deal. We got the chance for thunderstorms in Trinity County, which we're going to kind of talk about here in a second. For the inland areas and for Trinity County, it's going to be warmer this weekend. A bit of a heat wave this weekend. Nothing terrible, nothing we can't handle, but it will be warmer. And then as we go into next week, we're going to start to see those temperatures drop at least through the middle of next week. So here's what it looks like today. There you can see maybe a little smoky for some of the inland areas as well. Otherwise, just looking at the mostly sunny skies, temperatures around 90. And for the coast, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for Trinity County. There it is, the lightning strikes. Now, here's the thing. I don't think Hayfork and Lewiston, at least the chances for thunderstorms there, are going to be slimmer than, say, Weaverville northward. I think it's going to be mainly in northern Trinity County where we're going to see the bulk of the thunderstorms today. And there are not going to be a lot of them either. So looking at your temperature trend, let's kind of switch gears here. And you can see here, we're going to be up to close to, if not right around 100 degrees over the weekend, even into Monday. But temperatures do start to drop as we go through at least the middle of next week. There's that heat kind of building on Sunday. Cooler air here rides down to the south and east over the Pacific Northwest. That helps to drop our temperatures down. That's the cooling trend we saw going into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then that moves out, and we're going to start to see, just slowly but gradually, a big ridge of high pressure building over the western United States in general. Here's kind of what we call the ridge axis, right? So this is where you're going to have the strongest heat, and of course it does make its way to the Pacific Northwest, and not to mention Northern California, and we as a result do see those warmer temperatures. So temperatures for the most part, we're just on that roller coaster ride. They're going up, then they go down, then they go back up again. Looking at your satellite image here, we will eventually see more clouds entering the picture here this afternoon and evening when we eventually see the chance for thunderstorms. In fact, let's take a look at that chance for thunderstorms, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Remember, I was mentioning mainly in northern Trinity County. Now, we can't rule out places like Hayfork, maybe even Ruth, seeing a stray shower or thunderstorm. But what I've seen with the trend over the last few days is that in northern Trinity Center, mainly north of Highway 299, is where we could be looking at the best chance for thunderstorms in Trinity County. We go into 6 p.m. this evening. Now we're kind of focusing our attention more to the north and east of us in eastern Siskiyou County, but we could still see some activity in northern Trinity County even later on this evening at 6 p.m. And then by 10 o'clock tonight, it's all gone. And then Saturday, we actually may see another stray pop-up here and there. This is Saturday, tomorrow afternoon, that is, at 2 p.m. Maybe a stray pop-up shower, or maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. But you'll notice the chances are slimmer. And it looks like most of it will be off into Siskiyou and Modoc counties. And then I don't anticipate any activity on Sunday. Not even much in the way of cloud cover either. Still some puffy cumulus clouds, but that'll probably be the extent of it. Let's take it through the rest of the day today. Could see some clearing out along the coast this afternoon, but I do expect more clouds, more fog to develop again here for tomorrow morning, not to mention tomorrow afternoon. However, we're going to see a little bit of clearing in some spots here off the coast of Del Norte County, but you'll see it's having a difficult time clearing out for most of the coast tomorrow. Here's Sunday morning, more fog, maybe some clearing out near Crescent City, and then in the afternoon, some patchy spots of clearing. Otherwise, again, that fog having a hard time clearing out. Let's take a look at some of the marine alerts out there. So you can see the small correct advisory off the coast of Crescent City. This is a small correct advisory until midnight, so basically Sunday night into Monday morning. And then we do have a gale watch out to sea and off the coast, a small correct advisory also expiring at midnight Sunday night into Monday morning. All right, so let's go and take a look at the wave heights. And what you're noticing is that the wave heights are increasing slightly this afternoon. And then over the next 24 hours, as we go into Saturday, they'll increase even more, up to 7 to 8 feet. And again, that's why we have the gale watch and the small craft advisories out there. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 knots today. Your waves from the north at 4 feet at 5 seconds. And there, of course, is that small craft advisory that'll be here later this afternoon. So your forecast for your Friday. I've got thunderstorms in here, but remember what I said. It's mainly northern Trinity County that will see the best chances for those thunderstorms. South, the chances are slimmer, and of course it gets even higher chances in Siskiyou County. I don't anticipate any thunderstorms for the inland areas, even in far extreme eastern Del Norte or Humboldt counties. And for the coast, of course, mostly cloudy skies, although could see some clearing this afternoon. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. So again, no thunderstorms, just plenty of sunshine, minus the smoke and haze that we will see off and on over the next several days. Temperatures increasing, mid to upper 90s here for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but they dip down again before they go back up toward the end of next week. Now, for Weaverville, Trinity County, I mentioned the northern Trinity County area. That's for today and Saturday. But then you'll notice the chances for thunderstorms are out of here by then. So temperatures increasing. I think the peak of the warming trend for Trinity County will be Sunday, Monday, and then we're back down in the low 90s by Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly even next Thursday. I'll look at your 7-day outlook for Eureka. Of course, no big changes here, no big surprises. Temperatures mid 60s, give or take, with overnight lows in the mid to upper 50s.